Exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. I'm out here with my guy Infamous, man. We're gonna do a quick little exhaust comparison. It's for everybody who think or who want to know what's the difference between having a mid muffler delete and having an exhaust system on a Hellcat. So I got the mid delete, he got the CORSA Extreme. We're gonna let you guys hear what they sound like. Now, take into consideration, this is not a cold start. These are warm starts. As you can see, we're out here. These cars are warm. They've been driven. So we're going to let you guys hear what it sounds like. We're going to get a couple revs, possibly do a flyby. So let's get into it. Ooh. Look at Raven. Ooh. Bro, you need to name your car. I don't know why you don't.
They're fucking broken.
Hey, it's still a dope Hellcat, man. He's still killing like 99% of Washington. All right, let's do the startup on this one. Or should we do the mid first? Which one you want to do? Do the mid first. All right, here. I'll let you get in. All right, we're gonna do the mid first. I got the mid muffler delete on my 2020 wide body. I'll let you guys hear what it sound like. Yeah, one more. All right, now let it idle for a second. I'm gonna let you guys hear the way it idles. It's a nice little grumble to it. All right, now we're moving over to the CORSA Extreme. All right, so as you guys just heard, you got the mid muffler delete on mine. You got the CORSA Extreme on his. You can definitely tell the difference in how deep the tone is. So I think you paid what, $1,600?
Yeah.
So it's about $1,600 for the CORSA Extreme, and you know, mid muffler delete is just $150 bucks. You just removing the mid mufflers off of the car, and they just putting pipe right there. So I say, until you have the $1,600 to, you know, get an exhaust system on your Hellcat, a mid muffler delete is perfectly fine. But if you want louder, obviously you're gonna have to do more work to your exhaust, such as, you know, exhaust system, headers, high flow cats, whatever. So, but we're gonna try to get a quick little flyby, so you guys can hear what it sounds like when the car is actually moving. All right, let's talk about the drivability, guys. Now I know with the mid muffler delete, there is some drone when you keep it in the regular auto mode. I can immediately hear it. It makes the noise. I immediately put it in sport mode. Now, I was talking to Infamous. He says that even when he's in auto mode, there's no real drone with his exhaust system. So you gotta think, when you're up at cruising speeds, you know, 50, 60, 70, whatever it is, you can hear, like I said, the drone with a mid muffler delete, but with his you can't. So it's all preference. Some people don't care. Some people don't care about how the drone is. They just turn their music up or whatever. But people like us, we actually care. But I blast my music anyway, and I'm rarely in auto mode. Like, as soon as I get my car, double tap, I'm in sport, everything except for traction, that stays in auto. So it's your preference. I say once you do the mid muffler delete, You know, test it out, see how you like it, see if the drone gets to you. If not, then just turn your music up or take it out of auto mode and just put it in sport or track. I do plan on getting the MUFFLER, you know, to keep my baffles open the entire time. I still haven't did it yet. I need to. I think they like, what, $200? Yeah, $200. So I can just get that, and then we're gonna add it on so I can keep my baffles open. They won't open and close, so I don't have to be in track mode, you know, which is a mode I really don't dig unless I'm in the track or at the track.
The car is dumb loud, though.
I mean, the car is loud. I mean, I like it. You know what I mean? I'm satisfied. Like, he's not satisfied with his. That's why he got the exhaust. But I'm satisfied with what the mid sound like. And if I put some high flow cats on this thing, oh, it'll definitely sound louder. You know what I mean? And that could be a temporary until I put on the 2-inch headers. And I'm going to wait on that till about 40, 50,000 miles, and then I'll do it. Because, you know, once you put on headers, you got to get it tuned, and that's going to void your warranty. So I'm going to wait till about 40, 50,000 miles, which probably going to take, at the rate I'm going, another year and a half. Then I'll put the headers on. And then, so in the meantime, I am going to get some high flow cats. But I'll put the headers on, and then we can keep going with the exhaust. Probably going to get 3-inch all the way back. So it's going to be insane, and I cannot wait. I'm telling you. And I definitely don't want to be in no townhouse no more. I want to have my house, because I don't want the neighbors, you know, trying to get me kicked out when I pull in the garage. I started, whatever. Neighbors go crazy, but we don't buy these cars for the neighbors. Sorry, neighbors. All right, I got my guy Infamous and Raven. We get ready to catch this flyby so you guys can hear what the mid-muffler delete sound like during a flyby. All right, guys, that was the mid-muffler delete on Raven. We're gonna let you guys hear what the CORSA Extreme sound like on his Hellcat. All right, guys, it's gonna wrap this one up, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like I said, I just wanted to do a comparison of the mid-muffler delete and the CORSA Extreme on the Hellcat. They both sound great. CORSA Extreme, you know, 1600. Mid-muffler delete, it's probably about 100, 150 bucks at your local exhaust shop. So leave comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Which one you think sound better? And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell to stay up to date with all the new content. Peace.